Okay, class, we'll now learn how to solve an area with irregular boundaries. Where can you find areas with irregular boundaries? So, this is the area bounded by most of the times mga rivers, brooks, body water, no? Medyo lain-lain ang ilang kuan. So, it will become an irregular boundaries. So, if you counter that kind of problem, then, for example, dako ang area na to, for example, if this is our area, then, ito ang area. So, pwede mo, you measure distance from, yung make-align, no? Ilayin niya sa pagkuhan, ilayin niya sa pag-compute ang area ni, and kini na yun, this portion here, you make an offsets which has an equal interval na offsets. When you talk about offsets, it is a distance which is perpendicular to a certain line. Hindi siya may offsets na to. Hindi man itong line, perpendicular, may ito say 90 degrees straight. So muna itong mga offsets. Pag susundayin mo na siya, then, kinalan mo offset po, kung pwede, yung offset, equal ang distance or kanang distance mo ito kung interval. No? So, equal ang interval niya. Kini siya, no? Equal. So, muna yung mga offsets. Kini may mga offset. Kini. Kana siya mga offsets na to. Kini. So on so forth. Ilan na siya pag solve sa area. Pwede nyo ilayin na siya. Gusto mo yung talagang start. Layo kayong offsets ni mo. So, dito pa doon ka sa atong irregular na boundary. So, what I'm saying, offsets is always 90 degrees from your reference line. Pinatong reference line, then equal atong interval. So, that's how to get the interval. So the more offset that you have, the more closer the interval, the more accurate ang inyong area na masolve. So there are two ways to solve the area with irregular boundaries. One way is by considering this one as trapezoid, or we call it one trapezoidal rule. Plus na to. So mga formula nga pag-derive na to, which is called trapezoidal rule. The other way is that Simpson one-third rule. Simpson one-third rule, sa trapezoidal rule, straight ang ginagawa na kay trapezoid man. Pero sa one-third Simpson one-third rule, mura i-considered ang curve. No? So, mean to say, medyo mas accurate gamay ang Simpson one-third rule kumpara sa trapezoidal rule. But the difference is just very small. Ang pala mo sa Simpson one-third rule is that the Simpson one-third rule is only applicable to an even interval or odd offsets. No? Even interval odd offsets. Dito na magagamit. So here's our formula. So trapezoidal rule, we have the area equals to this D, which is the common interval. You receive the distance. Then H1 is your first offset. Hn is your last offset. Then divided by 2 plus ang summation is offsets. So offsets, interior offsets, meaning to say, and offsets in between H1 and Hn. So kini, kung mani natin Hn, mani natin H1, so kini offsets. Kini siya, plus mo ang in between. The offsets in between the last and the first offset. Muna siya, summation of offsets. Then, sa Simpson one-third rule, take note this is only applicable if you have an even interval. Even interval siya. So, if you have an interval, so you have to only include the even sa aning formula, then the other area which has also the same interval, pwede mo ito solve na lang mo o by trapezoid, area of the trapezoid. Then plus na yun. No? So muna itong Simpson 1/3 rule ng formula, area equals to D over 3 plus the summation of the first offset and the last offset plus na yun. Okay, here's our example about how to solve an irregular area using the trapezoidal rule. So, muna na itong area karon bounded by these irregular boundaries. So, nabisyo na siguro gigan diri, nabisyo na 5, and 5 na po, 5, another 5. Muna sila gitawag na ito mga interval. Pag-abot dito siguro plus 3 mission, mission 5, so 3 na lang mga mission. Okay, so then, nagkuha na kang offsets, no? 90 degrees din na, padung din na, mission rin mo, so nakay measurement na 2.4, dari po, 90 degrees ka din na, then nakay measurement na 1.7, 1.5 dari, 1.8, then 3, then 1.2, then dari, so, zero. So, if you try to look at the figure that I give you, basic example, kini sila na ay the same interval. Kini isa, like 3 meters naman isa. So, what we do is that to solve this one by trapezoidal rule, you have to separate this 3 meters nga interval. Kini sila parehang sa interval, so pwede mo gamitan ng formula. So, separate this one. So, meaning to say, ating i-erase niya siya. Ito na siya i-erase. Ito na siya isang area. Ito lang i-plus na yung litero. So, muna itong area na gamitan na ito sa trapezoidal rule. So, atong each one, ani, will be 1.2. Hindi siya primero. Atong each n, ang last na itong offset, kini. Ito yung last offset. Now, which is 0. Kini siya. Dengan tumoy. So, kini siya ito, memorize siya na ito. It's 1 na siya, it's 2, kini, it's 3, then it's 4, it's 5, it's 6, then it's 7, kini, which is equivalent to yun, it's n, which is equivalent to 0. So, atong summation of HI will be equivalent to the offsets in between the first and the last. Meaning to say, kinis lang na gikan direct offset. So, gikan ba sa 3 plus 1.8 plus 1.5 plus 1.7 plus 2.4, which is equivalent to 10.4, no? 10.4. Then, gamitan nyo sa formula ni, then you can have your area is just equals to the common interval, which is 5. Then your each one is 1.2 plus 0 divided by 2. Then plus na yun, plus 10.4. Then you will have your area is equivalent to 31.2. So, ito lang kahit area 1 is yan. No? Okay, napunta na yung area, itong direct, ito mo eh. Ito first area, itong atong i-gapit sa trapezoidal rule because it has another interval. So, kato na yung buwan, tumoyan eh, yun siya silbi, 1.2, obviously triangle, no? 0 man itong direct, 0. So, you can use the area of the triangle. So, area 2 is just equal to or area total na, area triangle mo na. So, area total, area is just equals to 31.2 and plus din aning area sa triangle, which is kinesya is 3 meters in count. So you have 1/2 times 3 times 1.2. So you have area total equal to 33 meter squared. Okay? So this is how to use that formula, the trapezoidal rule. Okay, we have here an area, again, irregular area. We are told to solve this one using the Simpson 1/3 rule. So if you try to look at the opposites that we have, or the interval that we have, ini siya na yung interval. Ini siya tag 4, tag 4, 4, 4, 4. So, ikan diri, pero din na equal ang ilang interval. No? So, kini siya, hindi natin pwede magamitan o i-exclude ni kini siya na area kay di ba na siya equal sa interval 2 meters na equal. So, diri lang gyapon atong one substitution. So, i-exclude nato ni separate nato ni siya pag-compute kining area. Separate. So, kini ra to subot by Simpson 1/3 rule. So, kailangan siya we'll try to because Simpson 1/3 rule is only applicable when it is even interval niya. So, ito lang yung kailangan interval niya. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we have a 6 interval. 6, mean to say, it is even interval. No? So, even interval man siya. So, pwede na ito kinisatan atong gamitan sa Simpson 1/3 rule. So, meaning to say, atong Hi, H1 is equivalent to 1.4. Ini. Ano itong H1. Atong Hn, ini. So, which is equivalent to 0. So, kini atong H1, kini atong H2, kini atong H3, kini atong H4, H5, H6, H7 is yan. Ang last. Okay, so, atong summation of H even, it's even number atong so, kini 2, 4, 6, even na sila. So, you have 3 plus 1.7 plus 2.4. So, muna itong H nga even. Itong H nga on, odd number. So, manilabot ang 1, no? Manilabot ang 1. Kaya naman na sindari. So, excluding H1 and Hn. Ito, wala nilabot sa itong even of odd. So, very atong odd is kini H3. No? H3. Which is equivalent to 1.8. H5 plus 1.5. Manirain kay H7. Mo naman ni 0. O sa ilabot sa 1. Sa mission. So, you will have our H7 is equivalent to 7.1, then 3.3 na itong H7. Ito like substitute sa formula, you have the area is equivalent to D over 3, no? D over 3 man. So, itong D is 4. Then times your H1 plus Hn, which is the H7. H7 is it. So you have 1.4 plus 0. Plus dahil sa imong submission of 2 times the odd. 2 times the odd, ang odd to is 3.3. Sa formula na ito, this is for our formula. This is the summation of Hi. Plus tayo sa 4 times the summation of H7, which is equal to 7.1. Then you will have your area is equal to 48.53 meter squared. So, you can denote this one as area 1. Kaya naman tayo area katong diri pa, lahi, no? So, itong area total na yun, kining area 1, which is 48.53 plus katong area diri. Itong area diri nga 1.4 by 2. So, plus, this is triangle, the series of triangle, so 1/2, 2 times 1.4. Then you will have an answer of 49.93 meter square. So this is how to use the area. The Simpson 1/3 rule, solving the area with irregular boundaries. Now, if in case kung atong offsets ang atong interval is not even, then di na ilahi na po ng isa last nga area nga one. So kung di panalit kayo siya napatay lang area diri, panalit kayo siya napatay mga naman din siya tanatong napatay lang nga hindi na natay it's 7 may natay ano na po, meter siya po. No? So, if you try to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 siya ka 1, 7 siya ka interval. So, in that case, daily applicable ang Simpson 1/3 rule. Applicable ang Simpson 1/3 rule, kuto ba diri? So, meaning, ilahi na po ni mo ni. May area. Nailayan ako ng mga area. Triangle lang ako ng gamiton. No? O tapisoy ba? So, diri na ko ito may mga applicable sa Simpson. Di na ko ito. Even ang interval. Okay?